Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making my special Ding dumplings, also known as叮叮餃子王. In this video, you're going to be learning how to make this delicious filling, how to wrap each dumpling, and how to make the skin extra crispy. Let's get started. Start by chopping the cabbage. Next, use about 2 teaspoons of salt to mix the cabbage. After about 10 minutes, all the moisture and water will come out. Now we can chop the green onions. Cut the ginger. Add it to the minced pork and mix it together. Now we can add all the seasonings. Salt, black pepper, 5-spice powder, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Add an egg. Mix well. Now we can squeeze out all the water from the cabbage. Then mix it together with the filling. Refrigerate for about an hour. Now we can wrap the dumplings. For the dumpling wrappers, this is the brand that I'll be using today. It's certainly easier than making your own wrappers at home. Before wrapping, make sure that the side with flour is on the outside. Put about half a tablespoon of filling into the center of the dumpling. Line the edges with a little bit of water and fold in half. Use a very tiny amount of water to line the right side. Now, on the right side, fold twice towards the center and seal. Repeat the same thing for the left side. After you folded both sides, use both hands to fix the shape so it looks prettier. Look, so ugly. Now this was my very first dumpling. If yours looks anything like this, don't be sad. Wipe off those tears. All it takes is just a little bit of practice. After 1,000 different dumplings, I finally started to get the hang of it. Keep going. Now we can pan fry the dumplings. Place the dumplings in a non-stick pan, add water, and cover on high heat. Once the water is boiling, reduce to medium-low and continue to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes with the lid covered. Now that the water is evaporating, we can add some oil to make it crispy. Once it's crispy, flip and lightly pan fry the other sides if you wish. That's it! Now, because this recipe you can make about 40 dumplings, you can freeze them once you're done wrapping and cook them anytime. Make sure that the dumplings are frozen before transferring to a bag. When cooking frozen dumplings, simply place them in a pot of boiling water. Let the water get back to boiling temperature, then add half a cup of cold water. Let it get back to boiling again. Once the dumplings are floating, strain and place it into a hot pan with oil. Just pan fry until each side has enough color, and that's it.
Mama, 可唔可以下個禮拜，再下個禮拜，再下個禮拜 是谁一个啊？
If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.